A significant new feature in Aspire Beta is the 3D view. This view allows us to see the features as we're adding them, so we can look at our pipe design, and we can select different parts of the pipe design, and as we do, the properties appear up here, and we can edit these properties. For example, if we want to change the relative distance here, we could change that to say 1 meter, and we'll see it immediately has shrunk down the item we'd selected there. We can insert items here, so again we can just go up here and we could put a bend in here, and we can change directions. If we've got this item selected, we can use keyboard shortcuts, so I can go up, go right, left, down, back to left again. So you can see that we can readily see exactly what we're building as we're building it, that it all updates as we're building it. We can zoom in, and here I'm just using the wheel on the mouse to zoom in. If we get ourselves a bit lost or we want to go back, we can always click down here